everybody, it's Kate with Crate Insider, and I am here today with Andy Locklair from Newsome Raceway Parts, and I want to get all the latest and greatest information about what's going on with Chevrolet Performance, and especially with the Crate program. So Andy, I know we had maybe some production challenges going in 23, going into 24 here. Can you give us an update on what's going on?
GM Performance is full steam ahead in 2024, and we just got information yesterday that production issues with the rods that everybody's looking for the 602s is going to start coming back in the next couple of weeks, and rods are going to start coming back in. GM is still dedicated to making sure the Circle Track program works throughout the nation, and affordable racing is still available for everyone in asphalt, dirt, and all forms of Circle Track racing.
Yeah, well, that's a question every single year. There's always myths and rumors about whether GM is going to shut down the Crate program. So what are you hearing? Are you hearing any whispers of that, or have you at all?
Challenges are there every year, but GM is still committed to making sure the Circle Track program works. For every individual, they're committed to making sure we get things done. Yeah, there's challenges every year, and you always hear the rumor mill going back and forth about Crate motors and what's going to happen with that, but everything is full steam ahead. GM's Performance is still committed to making sure people have what they need to go racing. They're looking forward to, we're always working to get better things going. There are challenges throughout the year. We had a few challenges last year, and the supply chain is still getting ramped back up even after COVID, and making sure everybody has stuff in stock. So we're always on the phone with them, always finding out what's going on, and making sure that we have plenty of stock available for anyone that needs these things, and making sure we have them.
Yeah, and down here in the South, and of course you ship engines all over the country. Tell us a little bit about the Newsome Raceway Parts Network.
So the division of Raceway Chevrolet, and located in Hartsville, South Carolina, we have performance side of this thing where we sell a lot of Crate engines, fascia, body parts, the whole nine yards. Any genuine GM product you can buy from Newsome Raceway Parts Network. And we ship all over the country. No matter where you're at, we can get it to you in the Northeast, Southeast, all the way out to California. Whatever you need, we can get it to you. And normally we have a huge warehouse, a lot of stock, and can probably get it to you within a limited amount of time.
Yes, and I will say I've been working with Newsome Raceway Parts for several years. It is where all my valve springs come from, and also any engines that we do at Crate Insider. Wonderful team to work with, of course, with Andy and Tim and Tracy and Al and everybody that you've got such an amazing team. You guys are available by phone. Go ahead and let people know how they can get a hold of you.
So call the toll-free number if you're looking for racing stuff, anything in the in the Circle Track stuff. Give Debbie a call. Debbie is just a vast wealth of knowledge. She knows what you're looking for before you know what you're looking for. And you can call her at 877-497-3624. Tell Debbie that you're looking for a certain part. She's going to be able to give you the part number, let you know what you're going to have, and get it shipped to you the next day.
Yeah, and that's what's been great. I know at Crate Insider we field a lot of calls that are, maybe someone is doing some type of a restoration or some kind of thing, and and I pretty much stay in my lane with my 602s, 604s, 525s, and I know that I can send them right down your way, and y'all are going to make sure that those questions are answered and that those parts are in hand.
Yeah, any hot rodders are looking for connect and cruise stuff, motors, transmissions, LS motors, LT motors. We've got all that stuff for you as well. Dragsters, you like drag racing, straight rail racing, we got drag stuff for you as well. Anything GM Performance, and you're looking for good performance, then that's what you're going to do is call. We've got every bit of that.
Yeah, now are there any other rumors, or I really don't know the answer, are there any other myths or rumors or anything that racers need to know today?
You know what, to my knowledge, there are no more hotbed rumors going around. The CT525 is picking up steam. A lot of dirt racers, that CT525 program is getting to be a hot thing, and it's going to be pretty exciting the next 3 years to see a lot of the dirt racers going to the CT525. It's a great motor. It had challenges when that thing first came out. They've got all those things worked out. It's a great program. Don Blackshear is doing wonderful things with that CT525 program. If you don't know Don Blackshear, get to know who that is. And if you're going to be in the 525 market, give us a call. We've got oodles of them because we know we know where it's headed with that deal.
Yeah, and we're working hard at Crate Insider to make sure that we've got all the add-on components that you need as well to make sure, to get you the right breather kit, to get you the right front drive systems, all of that. And of course, you can find us over at CrateInsider.com. So thank you so much for your time today, Andy. Thanks for everything that Newsome Raceway Parts does for us and for the whole industry. And you need something, give either one of us a call, and we'd be happy to help you.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Happy racing. Good luck to all of you this year.